Connor. Hi, cute little dude. Hi, cute little dude. What are you doing? You want to see your first house? You want to say goodbye to your first house, huh? Here it is. That's all our stuff. There's your super awesome stroller filled with stuff. Here's the door. Grandma's in there cleaning. Let's go see what's upstairs. Bum, ba-dum. Hi, mister. What are you doing? Here's our bedroom. There's a ginormous closet that I kept you in. Just kidding. Super ginormous. There's my room. This is your first bedroom. There's the amazing view. It's fabulous. Huh. That's where you climb out to meet all your girlfriends. Yeah, you like that idea, huh? What's in here? Super awesome bathroom. Oh, light's still on. That's awesome. Let's turn it on. Okay. What's this? Is this Grandma's room? Hi! Say hi, Connor. Connor loves himself. Say hi. Hi. Huh. Yeah, we love ourselves. There's a deck. There's Howard Park. Sort of. Okay. We'll go back downstairs now. There's your first house, Connor. Hope you liked it. You're definitely not going to remember it. Bum, ba-dum, ba-dum. And the living room. With a fireplace, and you'll be Miss Balloon. You will. Ooh. Our backyard. In Howard Park. Say bye-bye, house. Yes, Mom.